Welcome to the Kodiak pressure washer shutdown video. Begin shutting down your unit by releasing the trigger to stop the flow of water. Now, put your ignition switch in the off position. Next, pull the trigger of the gun to release any trapped pressure. Now you should turn off your water supply and disconnect your garden hose from the pump. Now, disconnect the nozzle from the end of the lance. You can store the nozzle in the grommet right on the frame. Next, disconnect your high-pressure hose from the gun. Disconnect the high-pressure hose from the pump. From here, disconnect the lance from the gun. Replace the lance and gun to the designated holsters within the frame for easy storage. Always store your pressure washer in an area that is above freezing levels.